दुमाछरा में आज माननीय मुख्यमंत्री प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर मानिक शाह ने कहा है कि हम 28 के 28 सीट खुद लड़ेंगे। तो मैंने कहा है कि अगर आपने ये चैलेंज दिया है इनडायरेक्टली भी या डायरेक्टली भी हमको भी तो हमारा भी तो एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है। वी हैव टू फाइट द इलेक्शंस ऑन आवर ओन। सो वी आर रेडी फॉर दैट चैलेंज बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट से इट फर्स्ट. He said it again and again, and now with just few days to go for elections, if he said it in Dumachora today itself, then I have to fight for my party also.
But in any case, Tripuramota is not in an alliance at TTADC level.
No, I was of the opinion that Delhi wanted an alliance.
Okay.
That was what was indirectly communicated to me. But now that the Chief Minister has made it very clear that he is not keen on an alliance, then I have to also fight and not lose my ground. So we will do that.
Because recently the Chief Minister, 2 days back, if I remember, he said, I said we. I never said BJP.
He said it in Dumachora, and today he's again said it today. So what he said it 2 days ago, I've heard what you said. But after he came back from Delhi, he said we. But today again, he said that they BJP on its own will fight all 28 seats.
सर अपने चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट किए हैं, उससे बाद में मुकर तो नहीं जाएंगे?
नहीं, उन्होंने चैलेंज फेंका है तो मैं क्यों मुकरूंगा? मैंने तो एक्सेप्ट किया. अगर उनको बाद में वापस जाना पड़ेगा तो वो उनका मुकरना होगा ना. मैंने तो यही तो कहा है. मैंने कहा है कि आपने चैलेंज फेंका है तो हमको तो चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. अब अगर कोई और उनको फ़ोन करके दिल्ली से कहीं कुछ दबाव आता है कि आप अलायंस कीजिए, तब तो उनको वापस जाना पड़ेगा. मैं तो अपनी जगह में हूँ ही.
You are in your place. Sir, yesterday the speech of the governor was there.
I think it is very unfortunate, and governor is not governor's fault because governor has to speak what is given to him. So we will respond to that in the assembly on Monday.
On Monday. And what is this?
I don't think I should respond to CPM. They are not even a force in Tripura. I don't think we should respond to CPM. They had 20 years of free run. What did they do? I don't think we should give them too much of importance because they have to say what they have to say because they have to fight an election. So they have to criticize someone to fight an election. I don't think they even deserve a reply from us. People will reply.
But what are the issues on which this election will be fought?
Said it. The most important thing is, are we getting what we are there for? We are the indigenous people of Tripura. We are the son of the soil. We've signed the Tripura Accord. We've asked for land rights. We've asked for direct funding. We've asked for autonomy. We've asked for our language to be accepted. And I think that there are many good leaders in BJP. I can name also on record Ratan Lal Nath, Pratima Bhaumik, former Chief Minister Biplab Debji, Sushant Chaudhary, Ronaldjit Singh Roy. There are many leaders in the BJP, Sudhanshu Das, all of them, they privately and publicly also, they understand the problem. There are 1 or 2 leaders in Tripura who want unnecessary conflict between alliance partners. And unfortunately, they are the ones who are getting away with this larger misunderstanding and problem. So now that they have done it, we are ready. We are ready to fight.
Is there any possibility of the alliance to be formed till now?
I don't know. He said it, no? He's the Chief Minister. I'm a leader of my party. He has said it. Now if they have to go back, you have to ask this question, why did they go back? I did not. मैंने पहला निशाना तो नहीं मारा. First they have done it. Second time also they have done it. Third time they have done it. Today if you hear my speech, I have clearly said that now that you have said it, we have to fight. Now if tomorrow they have to go back, they have to explain to their party members why did they say 28 seats and then they went back. They have to explain.
Thanks.